Today we're going to be doing a really fun science experiment. Today we're going to be learning about chemical reactions. For this experiment we need a tablespoon of baking soda, a funnel, a spoon, a balloon, a bottle and half a cup of vinegar. Okay guys, step 1 is to carefully pour the vinegar into the bottle. Very good, everyone. Now our next step is to put the funnel through the balloon and pour in the tablespoon of baking soda. Now that this balloon is filled with baking soda, we have to keep it around the bottle's neck. Around the bottle like this and slowly pour it in. Wow! Well guys, we found a new way how to blow up a balloon. You guys must be wondering how this happened. It's because vinegar and baking soda are different chemicals, and when they're mixed together they make a gas, and that gas over here inflated a balloon. Isn't that exciting? A trebuchet was a weapon used in the olden times for war, as you can see up here. Okay, for this really fun experiment we're going to need some scissors or something to cut with, an elastic band, a pencil, 7 paddle pop stick, a 5 cm squared paper, some tape, a paper clip, battery, and some glue. I'm using a glue gun. Something that will, a hairband which is having a string and a little weight over here or an object. And finally we need a cardboard square that is 15 centimeters wide. So step 1, grab 3 of our 7 paddle pop sticks and make a triangle with them. Now glue the triangle together. If you're using a glue gun like me, please use an adult's help. As you can see, your triangle should look like this. Just like this triangle, make another one. Okay, our next step is to, at the very center of this pencil, wrap around the paper and then put tape around it. Remember, once you put the tape around the pencil, the paper should still be able to move freely, okay? Step 3, bend your paper clip so it looks kind of like a hook. Now, tape it to the paddle pop stick over here. It should look like this. Now, you have to tie your battery with an elastic band at the bottom of your paddle pop stick. After tying the battery, it should look like this. Now, as you guys can see over here, I've made 4 holes measuring these triangles. So, as you probably guessed, our next step is to put the triangles in these holes. Yep. And now tie the pencil on either side with your elastic bands. After tying the pencil, it should look like this. Now, our last step is to tie this paddle pop stick onto the pencil with the elastic band. Now, everyone, our trebuchet is ready to try out. 3, 2, 1, ta-da! For this science experiment, we need water, about 8 to 7 glasses, a spoon, food color, and paper towels. Okay, so step 1, pick up 4 of our 7 glasses and stack them up. Now fill them all with water. Now I'm going to put green in. Like this. Now I'm going to keep in blue. Oopsies. And now I'm going to keep in. And now I'm going to keep in red. And I'm going to keep in yellow. Okay guys, our next step is to mix them all. Very nice. Okay everyone. Now guys, I'm going to put the glasses aside and teach you how to fold the paper towels. Okay, so we have to fold them twice. First, fold them in half. Then fold them in half again. So they should look like this. Do that with the rest of your paper towels. So, done. Now that our paper towels are folded, we have to keep them over here. And now, remember the colored glasses? We keep them over here. In any order you'd like. And remember our empty glasses? We have to keep them in between. Very good everyone, you're doing great. Okay, our paper towels, we have to keep one through here, one through a colored glass and one through a normal one. Our next one goes through here. Our third one does the same. And our fourth one. And then our next one. Oops. And our final one. Awesome! You guys are doing really well. As you can see, in the blue and green one, the wood is already starting to transfer into the empty cups. Now, I'll be back in a few hours to show you the results. Welcome back. Remember yesterday we filled 4 glasses with different colors. We filled this one with green, we filled this one with blue, we filled this one with yellow, and we filled this one with red. But I can see a big difference. Remember the 3 empty glasses we kept in the middle? They're all full of water. But it's a different water, like yellow and red mixed together made orange. Yellow and blue mixed together made light blue, and blue and green mixed together made a teal turquoise type of color. Isn't that strange? I was wondering exactly how that happened, and you guys must be too. But after researching, I finally found the answer. It's a simple thing called capillary action. Capillary action is when water goes up against gravity. Now you guys must be wondering, yeah, what's that? So, let me explain with an example. You guys must have all seen plants, right? And watered them too. So when you water a plant, the water goes down, but the plant goes up. Isn't that strange? Well, it happens because the roots grab all the water and send them up into all 4 corners of the plant. That's how it happened. Well, guys, with one simple experiment, we have so many benefits. 1, we learned the meaning of capillary action. And 2, we saw 2 colors mixed together and make a whole new color. And 3, once we take these paper towels out and dry them, we get a really colorful sheet which we can do art with. Isn't that exciting? We're going to make a balloon hovercraft. For that, we'll need a balloon, a texture or a pencil to decorate, a CD that's just lying around and not being used, glue. For me, I'm using a glue gun, and a sports bottle cap that goes up like this and down. So, step 1, use the shiny side of your CD, okay? Like this. this side. Now, you use your pencil, your texter, only if you want it to decorate. Done. So, like this. Now, we're going to glue this bottle cap with its thing closed down here. If you're using a hot glue gun, I'm using my dad's help, so please use an adult's help. Now, with the help of my dad, we managed to glue it on. So it should look like this. Now, we are almost done. So, first, we have to make sure our bottle cap thing goes up because we're going to use it. Please keep it down if you're not going to use it. Only keep it up if you're going to use it. Now, for the final step, blowing the balloon. And done. Now, using the neck of your balloon, try and get it around this bottle cap thing. Done. Now, 3, 2, 1. This we need 6 craft sticks, 3 elastic bands, 1 spoon, and something light that can fit into the spoon. As for me, it's a ball. So, first we start off by gathering 5 of our 6 paddle pop sticks and stacking them on top of each other. Like this. Now, we tie 2 rubber bands on the edges of each paddle pop sticks to keep them together. For this, I have someone who will be assisting me. My assistant has very kindly tied this up for me. So now, it should look like this. You see? Now, grab your 6th paddle pop stick and carefully between the 1st and 2nd paddle pop sticks, try and squeeze it through. So after a bit of struggling, I finally managed to push the paddle pop stick through. So most of it should be on one side, and the smaller bit of it should be on this side, and it should be upside down. So now we're going to keep the spoon here and tie it up. Finally, I managed to tie the spoon with the stick. It should look like this. Now, this means we're finally ready to try it out. So, keep it here and press your finger to the end of the spoon. Then keep your ball and make the spoon bend down. Then 3, 2, 1, fire! Ta-da! If you're getting bored and want to do something new, please try this out with your friends and family. And if you like more of these videos and want to see, please subscribe to my channel. Bye!